One thing I haven't mentioned when it comes to performance is the benefit of moving scripts to the bottom of the page. So we've been adding them to the top for convenience, but ultimately, through this step here, we'll end up putting everything in the footer. And here's the reason for that. When the browser gets this HTML file, it's going to start at the top and it's going to work its way down line by line to create the document object model, which we talked about earlier. When it hits this JavaScript file, it's going to download this file and it will need to run the entire file before it renders anything else in the DOM. Now it will still read these different URLs and it will start to download multiple JavaScript files in parallel, but since these are all up here, we won't see anything on the page like our header, our logo, anything that follows that JavaScript file until that JavaScript file has been downloaded and run in the browser. Practically speaking, this means that the user of the browser will have a longer delay before they actually see content on the page. Most of the time, we want them to start seeing content as quickly as possible. It will usually be a couple of seconds before they begin interacting with the site, which is where the JavaScript usually kicks in. Another advantage to having JavaScript in the footer is that the JavaScript will run after all of the HTML has been processed into the DOM. This means we can use selectors in jQuery without having to wrap it in something like window.load, which ensures that it waits to run this code until the entire DOM has been loaded. That just means that there will be fewer errors, and if we'd like to, we can write some simpler code.